right, we're off in Florence.
Yes, we made it to Florence. That was very easy. It's only about an hour and a half train ride. So super, super easy. So we have a full day and night here. So we're gonna go find our hotel and see what kind of trouble we can get into.
Il treno regionale delle ore 10:10 per Siena.
Okay, we made it to Florence. We got all checked into our hotel. So now we're just walking around a little bit before we have a tour today. We're going to see lots of stuff, including David. He was important to go see today.
Yes.
So, but now we're walking just all the little squares, piazzas, and then we're going over some kind of bridge that the gentleman at the hotel told us to come check out. So we're gonna go see that. It's pretty here, yeah?
Meandering around. It's very old.
We're meandering. Yes, it's very cool. Okay, where are we? Yeah.
We're on the bridge, the Ponte Vecchio.
Okay.
And right behind us is the Ponte Vecchio.
Okay, that's where we want to go.
So-
Right there behind us.
Yeah.
That's
Go
where
up a
we're
little
gonna
higher
head
so
it.
you can see it.
There it is.
There it is.
It's
Yeah.
hiding.
Yeah.
So
Very cool.
very walkable. Very walkable. So we're finding all kinds of stuff today.
Yeah.
Ready?
Nice and cool in the morning with
Yeah.
October.
Yeah, October is a good time to come
This
for
is
sure.
not a bad time to be here.
Yeah.
So let's walk over there and check it out.
It's a very neat square here.
Let's go up on the bridge.
Okay. Oh, this is very cool. Boy, it's crowded. Holy moly. I don't know why I'm always surprised when we go to a hot tourist attraction. I'm like, why are there people here? Place filming. It's very neat. We're on the... Uh-oh, I forgot. The bridge in Florence. Very medieval. It's very cool. I think Clay's behind me taking some pictures.
Right here.
Oh, what is this called again?
Ponte Vecchio.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. I was like, I totally forgot.
Very cool high-end shops, but it's like a medieval
Yeah.
looking, shops on a bridge. It's
Yes.
super neat.
Yes. It's like already so very different from Rome because Rome is like very Roman Forum, ruins,
Right.
and this is
more
very
medieval
medieval. Yes.
The crowds are the same.
Yeah. Yeah. Yay! October is still high season, people. It's fine. The weather is fabulous, so we'll take it. But yeah, it's
Not
very
as bad
cool.
as it could be.
Yeah, I didn't expect a full medieval look. I love it. I love that. That's very much our style. So we're gonna keep going.
Awesome.
There's a lot going on here. This
There's
is
a
a
lot.
very cool piazza. I think it's the Palazzo Vecchio, I think is
Yes.
where we are. And there is all kinds of cool sculptures behind us. And I think there's a replica of David over there. Just a really cool square with all kinds of restaurants. I love the medieval feel to Florence. It is amazing.
Yeah.
It is amazing.
It's very medieval. There's statues everywhere. There's
lots
castles.
of squares everywhere. Lots of castles everywhere.
Here, I'll zoom in on this one
I'm
up
super
here.
excited about our tour today. Our tour is like 3 hours long, I think, and it covers a lot. So I'm really curious now to see kind of what we learn on our tour.
Well, there's all these great little restaurants out here too.
Fun.
I'm sure they're a little bit tourist trappy, but
they're probably
a lot
very
of fun
tourist
though.
trappy. But this is a pretty fun place to eat. This
Unique
right here,
place.
that little restaurant looks delish.
I also think this square at night would probably be
The square at night is
beautiful.
probably very festive.
Let's go see what's over
So
here.
let's go see it too. Our sandwiches are over here.
Oh, we're going to the sandwich
We're hunting
place.
for a sandwich place.
What's the sandwich place going to be?
I think it's going to be off over there, and
Okay.
it has a very long name to it. I saw it on TikTok, so I got to go find it and try it now. But
Yep.
it's like these giant focaccia sandwiches. So
This is the place to get
this is the place
sandwiches.
to get it, apparently.
All right,
So
good deal.
we're going to test that theory.
Yeah,
So we'll
we're going
see.
to go find it.
We'll see. Oh, we got the famous sandwich. The line here is giant. It went really fast. So we got two different things. We got one with pistachio, we got an Italiano, and it looks really long, but definitely worth it. It was really, really fast to go in. So we're gonna find
Check
a
them
little
out.
place
They
to
look
eat.
yummy.
They look very yummy. So we're gonna find a little place to eat soon and just hang out and enjoy it. Enjoying our videos, be sure to like and subscribe because we have a ton more travel videos coming, and of course we are travel advisors, so if you would love help with your cruise or your trip to Florence or anything that you have planned, we would love to help you. So be sure to see our information and contact information in the description box below. We're like in the perfect spot because we are just close to everything. Florence is very walkable though, so I love that.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
Food is good.
Beautiful
It's
here.
very,
Food is very
it's very
good.
well lit at night.
Yes, the limoncellos, they have a heavy hand. It's fine.
It's good.
But
It's all good. We're having fun.
yeah, it's really good.
All right.
So I think we're gonna walk to the square next.
All right, which square is this? What's the name of the square?
The Piazza dei Republic.
Piazza dei Republic.
Our Palazzo dei Republic. This is a really, I think it's the biggest square in Florence. That's what our guide said today.
Yeah.
He shared lots of historical pictures about it too, so it's been around for a long time. So it's very cool, very
So,
festive at night.
During the day, it was packed.
Yeah. Oh my
It's
gosh,
about-
it was
it's
very
about
busy.
10 p.m.
Yeah.
right now, and it's starting to on a Sunday night, so it's starting to.
It's starting to wind down. Everybody's got to go to work
That's
tomorrow.
right. They go to work tomorrow, and
Yeah.
but today it was just happening.
Yeah, it was busy
So-
and festive. All kinds of local artists out. I think they had like a little market out. So,
It's high end now. Chanel, Michael Kors. Gucci,
yeah, it's a little high end over here.
Louis Vuitton. So this is definitely a high end area over here, but it's very close to walk to all the major historical sites.
Yeah, we're only like 5 to 10 minutes away from like the cathedral and the Accademia. We're close to everything. We can walk to anything from our hotel. And really in Florence, you can walk to anything. It's small, so yeah. It's
So
good.
we're gonna call it a night. We had a great day in Florence.
Yeah, we did. We wish we had more time here, so we're definitely gonna plan to come back, I think.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right.
Awesome.
Good night.